This is a video chart presentation of Sonus Networks. Sonus trades on the NASDAQ exchange under ticker SONS. See, Sonus wrapped last week up pretty nice fashion. Green day on Wednesday, flat on Thursday, but then a nice close heading into the weekend, up 3.41% to close at $3.64. Volume's not a problem with this play, plenty of liquidity, 5.6 million shares traded. But what mostly caught my eye is the overall uptrend in this chart, slowly making higher lows, including speeding that pace up in the last couple months, since hitting highs up near $4 early on in March. Stock price holding over top of the 50-day moving average, pushed back above the 20-day moving average. We're going to keep an eye on this going forward, see if it's going to take out some resistance here at $3.80, and potentially test those old highs. Now we see we had the MACD moving up, breaking back through zero in May, as the stock came off of these lows from April. Histogram bars trending back towards zero. Looks like another bullish cross could be coming, of the MACD passing through the signal line. Of course, that's exactly what we look for. We want to see this upward trend to continue. Plenty of room for this MACD at this point to continue to make higher lows and higher highs and hold this upward trend. Slow Stow's coming along slowly. Recently dropped a bullish cross. We want to see it over top of 50 and holding that point, similar to back through here in May, to indicate momentum is being held in the chart and suggest the upward pressure is going to continue. Same way with the money flow index, coming off a bottom, moving back up towards 50, telling us that right now stock's trading near its 14-day average. We want to see it on the upper half of that indicator, because obviously higher prices being paid for the stock is a bullish sign. The relative strength index, it's held the upper half of the indicator. Right now the 14 is at 57. That's something that we always look for. Shows us that the bulls are holding control of momentum. And right now at this recent upswing, lots of room for this to move. Try and move near 70, an area that momentum traders call the power zone. Now, I mentioned the upward path that the chart's been making over the last 6 months or so. This can be drawn out a bunch of different ways. We could draw it through here as a wedge type pattern that's been formed. I'd really like to focus more on this last month to show some key support and resistance points. I want to put this bottom support right here around $3.45. You can see going back into May, that was a little bit of a resistance area. It's held it as support since making these recent highs at 380. And that's going to be the resistance point we're going to look for to be broken. If it does take that out, not much in the way. Little gap here still to fill, but that's not too big of a concern to me. Mostly what I'm looking at is trying to take out this old high at 398, which also happens to be the 52-week high, which would just lend support to the idea that this upward channel is going to continue with not much resistance in sight. Just to even challenge that resistance is a nice climb from current levels, pushing around 10%. Then, of course, above and beyond there, we'll just have to look for some new resistance points to be established. As I mentioned, liquidity is not an issue. This is actually a nice increase in volume on Friday, and I think one more reason to pay attention to this chart going forward to see how it performs. But as always, merely my interpretation of the SONS chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny-stocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.